As you can see from this poll, most of my audience haven't yet made their first $200. So in this video today, I'm going to teach you a simple method that won't require any money to start and you can get going from today. As you can obviously tell by the title, we're going to be using Clickbank. If you aren't familiar with this website, then it's a place for affiliate marketers to find hot trending products that you can become affiliates for and promote. You can then generate commissions from the products you sell using a unique link that has a code in it, which then when used will give you credit for the sale. Right, so to start, you're going to want to come over to Clickbank and then sign up. If you head to the top right hand corner here and just press sign up, it shouldn't take too long as it's a very simple process. Once you then have a free account, you're then going to want to log in and go to their marketplace, which then looks like this. Some of these products are really good. However, you'll get a few that are really spammy and actually awful products. So make sure you have a good look through, choosing the right one and pick one that seems right. On the left-hand side here, you have all the different categories which they sell in. Some of the most popular ones are e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, home and garden, and then the last one would normally be spirituality. These tend to have always the top products in most of the time, so it's probably best to stick to some of these. However, it's your preference of what one you choose. For today, the category that we're going to use is health and fitness. This is going to work really well for the method I'm going to show you, but you can, and also like I said, do anything you choose. So once you've watched this step-by-step guide, you can have a pick of what one you want. Once you've then gone to the category, this is what will come up. Inside the category, you have all the products. We will then want to filter it down by gravity. So then all the products that are being sold the most are at the top. This will also leave out all the products that aren't being sold at all by any other affiliates. You can see the gravity scores of each of the products. These are then how much they're being sold already. You then have on the left all the names of each of the products here. And then on the right, you have the average conversions for each of them. Some will obviously be quite a lot. Some are going to be a lot less, but we can figure out what we're going to do from here. But the best thing to do is have a look at the products first, and you can click on them through this link here. This link is then going to take you to the product page. They all also have affiliate pages here. These are then going to be for you, as it has all the relevant information about their different offers. Like I said before, some of these, even though they've been sold quite a lot, they won't be the best products. So you're going to have to search through some of these and figure it out for yourself what one's going to be the best. For now though, let's just use this one as example, the smoothie diet. This is going to be quite a good product for this method as it has such a low price point compared to some of the others as well. So when we're trying to sell, we won't need to use as much persuasion as some of the higher price ones like these. All we do is simply click this link here, and like I said, it will then come to their product page so we can then see what it would like to be a consumer. Most of these are all similar in layout. They'll have a video at the top describing the product followed by the offer underneath. Also, as this is a diet product, they have results from previous customers using their product, and then further down they just have a load more bunch of information. So what one of your potential customers would do is go through this landing page from your free traffic source, which I'll show you later. And once they get to the purchase page, they press buy now through here. Then the commission of $28 will go straight into your Clickbank account. Now, how do we get that specialized link to know that sales are made to us? All we have to do is come back to the products page and press this button here which says promote. This pop-up's then going to appear on your screen, and then from here you need to enter your nickname at the top, which you would have made when you first signed up to Clickbank. Then press generate hop links, and then this is your link here that you're going to need. So make sure you have this copied for our next stage. Make sure as well you go over to tinyurl to shorten the link so it doesn't look so messy for when we put it out later. So you can just put the link in there, press make tiny, and then this is your specialized link which is even smaller. So keep this here. Moving on to the next stage, and for our free traffic source, if you head over to YouTube, now don't worry, we aren't going to be needing to use our own face or our own camera to make our own film. Also, we aren't going to be using any Creative Commons to use other people's content. We're going to be using YouTube's own new TikTok feature, which is their YouTube Shorts. You can still go super viral with a single piece of content, so make the most of this now while you still can. Head up to the search bar here and type out #shorts plus weight loss, and then you're going to want to search for that. Here you'll see videos with thousands of views, if not millions. This is because of YouTube Shorts and how viral you can go at the moment. The great thing about this method as well is that we don't need millions of views, we only need a few thousand. This will then bring in more than enough people so that we can convert them into commissions. Let me show you now a channel that is currently doing YouTube Shorts really well. This channel is getting millions of views each month. All they have in their videos is simple images with writing over the top and then a small description, and look how many views they're getting. And the great thing about this as well, we don't need this type of views to even be making a good amount of money. As well as that, these shorts are really easy to do and you can make them look even better. So let me show you how you're going to do this and how this can be done using a few free websites now. The first one we want to go over to is called Pexels. This website has free non-copyright content for anyone to use. We're going to want to find some weight loss photos that we can use in our shorts. We only need 3 or 4, so we don't need to spend too long searching for the right ones. Once you've then found the ones you want, simply click on them here, then press free download at the top right, and then it will save to your computer for you to use later. I'm just going to find a few now that I can use, but then you can use whatever ones you like. So I've saved 3 now that I'm going to use, and we can keep them for later where we're going to then need them. Now we have our photos. You're going to then want to go over to Google to get the informative facts that people will then read while watching your shorts. This is then going to keep them engaged the whole time, giving you more and more views. All we're going to search for is weight loss tips. You can also search the images as they have short little snippet ones already. I like this one here, so this is the one that I'm going to use. It's from images anyway. We only really need a few, remember, as it's going to be short, so we only have 30 to 60 seconds anyway. Moving on to the next stage, now we have our free stock images and all of our facts that we're going to be using. Let's head to a free software called Canva. I've used this a lot before in other videos, so I won't go into too much detail about it, but it's basically a website which allows you to edit and create your own content using different templates or from complete scratch. The area that we're going to use today is this one here, the mobile video format. And this is how we're going to make our short. So just simply click that. This will then bring you in to the editor. Here we can then design our short, adding the photos and the facts we found earlier. Also, you really want to make sure it looks very professional and not quickly put together. So make sure you don't make it look like mine, as I'm going to do mine very quickly and fast just to get it done. On the left here, we have all the different templates you can use. Make sure to use free ones and not the ones that cost money. Also, if you want to try and be more creative with this, don't even use a template at all, make your own. However, the templates do help slightly as they then have more movement in the photos, already adding that extra little bit to the video. So let's just use this one now. All you have to do is click on it and it will bring it through. As you can see, they've got 3 pages, which works perfectly, as we're just going to use 3 facts and then 3 photos. Click on this first one and it'll come up so you can edit it. Firstly, we need to then change the text into our facts that we searched for earlier. To do this, all you got to do is simply click the text and then you can change it to whatever you want, and then just type in your facts that you found. I'll just fill all of mine out now and come back to you when it's done to save you time watching it all. So now that's done, I'll just show you what it looks like. That's the first one, second one, and third one. Now that that's completed, we then need to move on and add an element at the bottom of the video. To do this, we need to go to elements and then find a square. Now you're going to want to add this right to the bottom and then just make sure there's enough space for writing, as this is where we're going to be then directing people to our link. The more people that see this and click, the more potential sales we're going to get. Once you've added this square at the bottom to each one of the slides, we're now then going to add the text. To add text, all we have to do is go to the left again and press text and just add something small like a heading. So what you want to kind of type out is something like the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program, and then make sure you have the link in description as well. Make sure you add it to every single slide so that people can see it. Now we've done this, the next thing we need to do is add our photos that we got from earlier from Pexels. So head over to the left again and click uploads. Once you're then here, you can search your files for the images. I'll quickly change these out now so then you can have a look what it will look like. To get it like this with the photos at the back, all you have to do is click on the photo and then press position and then to the back, and then it will put it to the back so then you can see everything else that was on the screen. I'll just play a small clip now to show you what the almost finished short should be like. To now complete it, we then need to add the audio. Make sure you don't just get any audio from YouTube or downloaded music, as you could then get a copyright strike from this. So to find the best audio to use, which is completely free, head over to YouTube's own audio library. Here you'll then find all of their free music that you can use. We don't need massively large files either, so find something you like the sound of and that fits your niche. All you have to do is press download on the right and it will then be saved to your computer. Now head back over to Canva to then finish off your short. To add the music, go to upload again and then press audio. We then need to upload the audio file that we saved just a second ago. So then once we've added that, that, make sure it all works by just pressing play and previewing it. Then once you've done that, all you got to do is press download and then save it to your computer as an MP4, and then that will start downloading at the bottom. Now, while that's downloading, we then need to head back over to YouTube and upload our video. And to do this, obviously we need to create your YouTube channel first in your niche with a relevant name. So once you've then done this, you have to head up to the top right here and press upload, and then this pop-up will appear. So all you have to do is press select files, find it from your computer, the one that you saved from Canva, and let it upload. While this is in processing, you can then fill out all the relevant information here, such as the title and the description, as well as then all the tags that are needed for the SEO. Let me just get something written out here quickly, and then I'll come back to you. Make sure as well you add keywords in the title and the description as well. This is then going to help for the searchability of it. For the description, just use Clickbank's title and add it here. Then once you've added these two here, go back over to tinyurl and pick up your affiliate link from earlier. So this one, so copy that. So that looks much better now rather than the long-winded one. And also don't make any excuses now. These videos are very simple to make and they don't take up too much time out your day. So getting out 3 to 4 different videos each and every day won't be a problem. Watch this next video up now for a different method and make sure to subscribe for more money making content.